Diego, MTS says it will begin reducing service along its routes next week. This comes in the middle of the massive decrease in ridership and increased health concerns for employees. Our 10 News reporter Matt Boone explains the changes to the system.
But this is a good thing because it means that our community is staying home.
With ridership down 60 to 70%, County Supervisor Nathan Fletcher says right now that's actually what they want.
That if you can stay home, stay home. No one should be utilizing transit unless it is absolutely necessary.
Starting next week, MTS will begin reducing their capacity by around 25%, though they will not be shutting down any lines entirely.
70% of all our bus routes will have some reduced span and/or frequency, but there's more than 36 bus routes that will continue normal service levels as we're operating today.
MTS has increased cleaning of buses and trolleys, and last week implemented a back entrance only policy on buses. The reduction in service designed to match demand as well as managing MTS's own resources.
So it is to provide us an insurance policy with minimizing the time that our employees have to be out in the public, but building up a reserve of drivers as we begin to see more and more absenteeism.
Health for drivers has been thrust into the forefront after a bus driver in Detroit posted a heartfelt video about a passenger openly coughing without covering her mouth.
That lets me know that some folks don't care.
Jason Hargrove ended up getting sick a few days later and died on Thursday, testing positive for COVID-19. MTS reiterating their service is in place to serve only those who rely on it for essential business. Matt Boone, 10 News.
Matt tells us that rider fares make up nearly 40% of MTS's revenue, but they say that they will be eligible for $200 million from the federal stimulus package.